traditions that a lot of other people just can't handle. And one of them, fortunately for us, involves our matriarch of the family. And she's a very well-respected member of the family. I know we all love her very much. I have to say that, I'm the son. But as a token of our love, the family has gotten together to honor you. So if you come up here, we have a special presentation for you that comes not only from our hands but our hearts as well. Mom, come on up here. We've got something just for you.
I don't like you, Larry.
As kind of a preview, we'd like to show you just kind of what's behind it. We can show her the first one here. Okay. And now there's a second one here that I think that you'll enjoy. Now, that sure bug off, doesn't it? As I said, we've all gotten together and there are craftsmen in the family. This is handmade just for you. And we want you to have it and enjoy it. And when there's a new matriarch, you can pass it along to her, but it's yours for your life.
It may be sooner, you think?
This is for you, Mom. Mount that sucker, Mark.
What? That's too high. Take these down. And there you go.
Put a six-pack in there.
Put your leg over. All right. Lift the bell up.
Wait a minute. Strap her in.
It's just to make it convenient.
For you.
Put your feet up. I'm afraid to go right over Patrick's. No, you won't. We've tested it.
Lady has talent.
This has been going for about, what, a year?
Yeah.
Who's the rotten one did this?
One of the newest members. Dan.
Dan did it.
Dan did it.
My friend.
They brought that all the way down.
Oh,
And we've all contributed, so it's from all of us.
What can I say?
Family.
Foster Farms Fried Chicken.